Hello there, welcome to my MQL5 MQL4 Expert Advisor tutorial. In the past, we've demonstrated how to build trading robots with indicators, ADX, relative strength index, moving average, and a lot of others. In this video, we're going to do a no-code approach to building all those robots in MQL4, MQL5. We're building powerful trading robots. It's going to be able to do whatever, to trade based on whatever indicator you want, whether it's by adaptive moving average, simple moving average, exponential moving average, relative strength index. We're going to demonstrate how to do all of these even when you have zero programming language knowledge. You're not interested in MQL4 or MQL5, you're not interested in knowing Python to trade, but you can still build powerful trading robot. It's just click, drag, drop, select, no complex programming concepts. All you just need is basic trading knowledge in forex, equities, an understanding of indicators. What you gotta know what it means, what RSI mean, what parabolic SAR mean, and all of that. So let's get started. So you have to launch your MQL software this way, and then go to IDE. You have to have downloaded this package from the website. In case you have not done that, so go to metatrader5.com/in/automated-trading. Just go to this link and then you get to download from here. Hit this and follow the prompt. So having downloaded that, we come to this stage. You create a new file by clicking this, and then Expert Advisor template, Expert Advisor generate. You want to generate. Next, and then give it a name. Let's say just trade, just any name, and then next. Now here is where you get to select the signal properties of your Expert Advisor. So what is going to inform how you trade? Click on Add, and then you have this dialog box that tells you, okay, name. You have to choose what signal you're going to follow. Accelerator, oscillator, adaptive moving average, also oscillator, BS power, boost power, demarker. For this example, we just want to use moving average and RSI. You're free to combine one or more indicators or one or more signals, and then you can weight them, give it a sort of weight to determine how much influence each will have on the final decision. So in this case, we're just moving average. So now here you get to set the properties of your moving average signal. What's moving average? Moving average is just average that's moving based on some time frame, based on a period. For in this situation, we're going to use a period of 12. We're going to take the average of the last 12. And the averaging method, we're not going to use simple in that example. We're going to go for exponential. It's going to apply the price on the close price. Okay, that is in. Now let's add a relative strength indicator. So this is its relative strength index. Relative strength index allows you to compare two currency or financial instruments, and then you will be able to say which is stronger. With this, we can know if a a currency pair is overbought or is oversold, and we know whether to go short or we go long. So click on this, and then here is how you put the settings period. We just leave this the way it is. Just to demonstrate that you can actually have different combinations, I'm going to have had another moving average. This time, my moving average is going to use values from a different time frame. For this example, I want to use the M15 time frame. So I also want to have a decision based on a higher time frame. It's not going to be use current in this situation. So I'll just say M30. Okay. So I'm going to decide based on the time frame of based on the moving average of a higher time frame. So same thing, it's going to be exponential, and okay. So with this, we can proceed. And then the trailing properties of the expert advisor. Do you want your trailing stopper? Do you want it to be fixed or based on moving average, based on parabolic SAR? For this example, just leave it and keep it simple. The money management properties of the expert advisor. You want to trade with fixed trade volume, fixed margin, fixed risk, minimal allowed trade. For this example, just I want it based on risk. Trade based on risk. The volume should be determined based on the risk and my risk level. For this, I'll just set it to 15%. So finish. And our expert advisor is 98% done. So since this is the code that's generated, but since with promise it's going to be no code, just leave it this way and click on compile, and then you watch out for this 0 error 01 is you're good to go. So at this stage, you have a file that's generated that you can run in your in your trade terminal. So to go back to the trade terminal, you can just click on this and it takes you back. Okay. Now we can come to the section for expert advisor, and then this is what we just created. And we can decide to drag and drop on this, or since we just want to backtest, it's a good practice to backtest, and at best use this on a demo account. Don't use it on your live account because you're yet to decide. So come here, right click, and then click on test, and this window comes up. And this is where you can put your settings. Symbol, you choose the symbol you want. Let's use this. The date, you say the first week, the first 2 weeks of January. Okay. And if you want to see, you want to have a visualization, you click on this. If you go to input, you are able to further set your properties. I'm going to leave this for most of okay. Let's set stop loss. I want my stop loss to be 70, and take profit level 150. Okay, and exponential close price. Weight, can I just make this 0.2? Close price. Weight, make this 0.3. Exponential close price. Moving, make this 0.1. Risk percentage 15%. If everything is good to go, we can click on Start. Oh, the window is not displaying here. Okay, so here you have it. So this is a cell has been created, and then yeah, so if you can adjust the speed here if you want. Oh, a profit of 2,000. Oh my god. So this just demonstrates how you can do it. Feel free to go over the video. I'll have to stop at this point. And feel free, there is nothing we did here that's too big. It's just a wizard that guides us into setting all of this. If you have any comments, any comments or question, you can use the comment section. Remember to trade responsibly. I'll see you in the next video.